Hey guys, have you been looking for high quality traffic that will actually convert into sales? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over a traffic source that a lot of people may know called Udimi solo ads. I'm going to let you know what vendors to use, how to actually pick a vendor, and how to actually use the site the right way. I'm also going to tell you about a traffic source that will get you very, very high quality sales and also get you a very, very high opt-in rate when you use the service. So let's get into it. And what I want to actually say to you is whenever you're getting traffic, um, any kind of traffic, whether it's free traffic or paid traffic or any other kind of traffic, that takes a marketing skill set. So for those of you who think that you can just go and buy traffic and send it to a funnel without anything else, then you're mistaken and you're going to find yourself very, very disappointed when you get traffic and people are telling you to go and buy traffic and they're not actually telling you how to do it the right way. So you're spending a lot of money and you might not know how to actually do it the right way to build your list, to actually uh, build a rapport with people and actually get sales, right? So that's what I want to go over, and I want to let you know that it's going to take you learning marketing skill sets for you to be able to get results online. So you have to learn the marketing portion of it. Solo ads is just one aspect of a bigger picture when it comes to traffic. So let's get into it right here. So when you create this account, and you can create an account if you don't have one by clicking on the link below this video, there's going to be a place for you to sign up for a free account, and that just gives me credit when you go and you buy traffic. So people can actually go and buy traffic from you and they're hard coded to you, and then you get credit when they go and they buy, right? It's better than them going and buying for free and you not getting nothing, right? So, make sure you support if you support my videos, if you support what I do, go and click on the link so that way I get credit for it. So basically, what Udemy Solo Ads is Udemy Solo Ads is basically a vendor site that will allow you to pick out different vendors that have good results, and you could go and you could test them and you could get traffic from them, right? So how you would do that is you would click on buy solos. Solo deals is basically for new vendors. So you don't really want to go to the solo deals portion if you're okay with, unless you're okay with gambling your money, right? So the solo deals portion is typically for the people who are new vendors, right? So you want to actually make sure this is at 50% sales. It's the highest it could be. And then what you're actually looking at is you're looking at, do they have reviews? Here's the reviews right here. Here's the number. Here's the number of sales, and you're looking at the cost. So these are the things that you want to look at: the number of sales, the reviews are good, but his costs are a little bit higher. That's because Angelo has a lot higher quality solo ads, right? So typically the people on this first page here are going to be your best people that you could possibly get traffic from, but you don't want to get traffic from the same people all the time. So you want to switch it up, and you want to get traffic from a variety of different sources. You don't want to get traffic from just the same people. So typically people on this first page are the people that you want to get traffic from, and just keep track of your stats, keep track of your results, so you know which ones brought you sales and which ones didn't, and you know your stats, right? Because it's very important to know your stats, because you just go in here, you go to whoever's page it is, and then you put your capture page link, it'll send traffic to anything. So make sure you have everything set up the right way. Make sure you have your links set up. Make sure you're doing your tracking, because they're not really going to look at what you have set up. They're just going to send traffic to it, right? So it's very important that you know what you're sending traffic to. You can put your swipes in here as well, and that's how that works, right? So that's typically how Udemy solo ads work. Now, if you want the very best quality traffic that you could possibly get with added support, make sure you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Now, why I suggest you come over to profitbuilderstraffic.com is because this is my traffic store. and I actually help people to get results. And what makes me different from everybody else who goes and sells traffic is the fact that I actually help you to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I help you to make sure your sales copy and your capture page are congruent. And then I want to make sure that you get very high quality traffic and you know the sources that you're getting traffic from. And then, where I get traffic from is a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. And then I help you to manage your funnels and your offers. When you order a traffic package from me, you can actually set up a strategy call. And during that strategy call, I help you to set up your funnel and your offers to make sure you're getting the highest converting results that you could possibly get. And I get my clients as high as 85% opt-in rate with sales. And you can see the reviews below this, on this page as well. And I also help you to make sure you know how to track your leads and conversion rates, because when you're buying traffic and you're not tracking your stats, and you're basically throwing money down the drain and you're throwing your traffic down the drain because you're not tracking anything, right? And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, right? So that's the goal. So how this works is step one is you select a traffic package. Below I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Step 2 is you can book a strategy call where we do a campaign review. I let you know what's good about your funnel, what could be improved on. I let you know how to keep your emails out of the spam box, because you want your emails to end up in the inbox, not spam. If your emails are ending up in spam, nobody's seeing them and you're not making sales, right? And it actually hurts your deliverability every time somebody marks your emails as spam. So I show you how to actually prevent that from happening. I show you how to manage your list the right way. I show you how to tag. I show you different things that you're going to want to do to maintain your list properly, right? So I highly suggest ordering a traffic package just for the strategy call alone, because that's worth it in itself. That's in fact more valuable than the traffic package itself, right? Just having a strategy call with me is way more valuable, right? So step 3 is we do a campaign launch. So after you order your package and we have the strategy call, we launch your campaign typically within 3 days. But if you order a traffic package and get a call, it's going to start after the call. Here's some of the results that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so make sure you take a look at that for yourself. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1 traffic. And there's going to be deals for 500 clicks, right? So 500 clicks, you get 15% opt-in rate guaranteed. And here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are the answers to your questions are going to be down there. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And then if you have any questions, you can leave them below this video, or you can also leave them in this form and then go to my support box, and support will get back to you. So you can leave your questions below this video. If you have questions, you can reach out to me on Facebook. There's going to be links below this video to get to my Facebook page as well. You're going to want to, get to the traffic store below this video also. So if you want to get traffic, just click on the link below this video to get to the traffic. If you want to know how I've been able to make 6 figures online, make sure you click on the link directly below this video. And if you want to get into my free Facebook group, there's going to be a link in the description for that as well, right? And that's where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.